Welcome. In front of me I have the INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass to this device. Now to get started, let's just prepare everything that I will need. So with your tempered glass, obviously in a package you should have your glass itself. This little foam that keeps the glass protected, you can throw that out. And then also a wet and a dry wipe. Now some additional cases or tempered glasses include also these small little microfiber cloths like this one. If that is the case, that's great. And also some other tempered glass manufacturers also include like a little piece of paper with little stickers on it, and those are used to basically get rid of any kind of dust that might settle on your display. So you peel that off and then you kind of like press it to the display to stick the dust that might have settled on the screen. I don't have anything like that. I just have wet and the dry wipe and the glass, so that's it. But it won't really matter. It will still work just fine without it. Now, with this manufacturer, the wet and the dry wipes are comically small, just to kind of show this. This is the entire size. So they're just pitifully small. So I'm not going to be using them. But I assume, or not assume, I know for a fact that some other tempered glass manufacturers do include significantly bigger wipes, which are a little bit better to use. And obviously they also include the microfiber cloth like this one sometimes, so that's also great. But because this one does not, I'm just going to be using a little bit bigger microfiber cloth for this. Obviously, if you don't have that, you can utilize this without a problem. It will still work. It's just a little bit of a bigger pain to use. Now, before I start cleaning off the display, I will quickly go into a method of applying the tempered glass. So this specific one, as you can see, only has one side to peel off. So once I peel that off, whatever I'm holding with the one is the side that you throw out, and this reveals a sticky side on the tempered glass, which you then just place down. Now when placing it down, my personal preference of doing so is by pinching it from both like left and right side, from top and bottom, and then placing it at an angle like this onto the display, so I can maneuver it up and down and left and right. So this will allow me to align it correctly, and also with my fingers, the thumb and index, I'm just pinching the tempered glass along with the bezel, which allows me to shift it a little bit and keep it a little bit more steady. From there, once it's aligned correctly, I'll add some pressure down and just make sure that it's laying here correctly, and then drop it. And from there, the tempered glass should just stick to the display and you're done. So anyway, now let's just get into cleaning the display. When cleaning it, you just want to remove all the dust and dirt that is on the display. Obviously, if you have scratches, you won't be able to get rid of those. But if they're not very deep, tempered glass actually might help you conceal those scratches on the display. So once your display is nice and clean, you want to keep the microfiber cloth close, just because if any kind of dust settles on the display, you will want to get rid of it before you apply tempered glass. Otherwise, it might create an air bubble under the tempered glass, which obviously no one wants. Now for me, I don't have any kind of dust. There we go. So I can just jump straight into it. Okay, so it's on the display, so it's not sticking just yet. So let's apply some pressure. Obviously, if you have some kind of air bubbles somewhere, like on the corners, which usually happens, you can push them out yourself. And that's it. So now, last thing to do is just clean off the tempered glass itself. And as you can see, I have a little bit of a weirdness happening right here. What this is just compressed air. If you have such a thing on, well, corners or somewhere else, the middle, as you can see, it's now coming up. Just because, like I said, it's just air but compressed. So it is just lifting up the tempered glass. So if you have such a thing, what you can do is, using fingernail, just pry it back up and try to place it back down by just removing all the air. So I'm going to be holding the tempered glass, so it won't like shift up way like far. And then while doing so, I'm going to lift it up, as you can see, subtly. And there we go. And it's basically gone now. So there we go. That is how you can apply tempered glass on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.